Hi, everyone. My name is Kevin Salet. I'm a product marketing manager with Microsoft Advertising, and I'm here to talk to you about automotive ads. So, if you're an automotive advertiser, you know about the new, faster ways consumers are shopping and searching for cars online, and the threat of disintermediation from competitors that looms around every corner. And to quote Harley Manning, a VP from Forrester, quote, "In this age, the only source of competitive advantage is the one that can survive technology-fueled disruption, an obsession with customer experience. That's why Microsoft Advertising is focused on building experiences that are even more customer obsessed and empower you to showcase your cars where those customers are in their decision journeys." We've been moving from beyond just blue links for a long time now to develop more experiences that are more personal, visual, intuitive, and adaptive to provide a better consumer experience to your car shoppers. There's, of course, video extensions, multimedia ads, and our whole native offering of the Microsoft Audience Network, which populates on places like Outlook.com, Microsoft Edge, MSN, and select publisher partners, all to better reach users across the whole customer decision journey. And if we think about the car shopper's journey specifically, we're striving to provide effective contextual ad experiences that show advertisers' cars at every step of that journey, from when customers start their online search and browsing, do some searches for makes and models, compare prices, and re engage after some time away, then finally buy online or in a dealership. And to populate all these contextual ad experiences, there's one key feed based ingredient that's the fuel behind all this, and that is, yes, you guessed it, automotive ads. This is a Microsoft offering that has been leading automotive advertising news recently, and we're so excited for you all to try it out. Let's first dive into exactly what automotive ads are and then some things to know about the ads. So, as an example, let's say I'm in the market for a used car and want to go to Bing and search used cars near me. I'll type that in, I'll hit enter, and now see this ad unit around the right rail of the Bing SERP that's instantly giving me a ton of information of used cars that I might be interested in. The title of the car, the price, its mileage, of course, what it looks like. That's just one example though. So where are all the other places automotive ads currently show up? Well, you can see them on the SERP right rail, as I just demonstrated. They're also on the main line of the SERP, so you can get even more coverage. It's also on placements in the Microsoft Audience Network, as I mentioned earlier, info panes on MSN and Microsoft Edge. You can also find these ads on the image results and video results pages of Bing, which are for both PC and mobile, as well as the Microsoft Autos Marketplace on MSN. We're also adding syndication partners like Yahoo, so really this is an incomplete, ever expanding list. We're working to add new placements all the time, and while this is currently only for the United States, we also have plans to expand it to other markets in the future. So that's all well and good, but what kind of performance are automotive advertisers seeing with automotive ads thus far? Well, honestly, it's been pretty stellar. Advertisers are seeing more clicks and conversions with an up to 15% incremental click lift and up to 8% conversion lift, as well as lower costs with up to 40% lower CPCs compared to their corresponding non brand targeted text ads. So, really great performance all around and a can't miss opportunity for those with cars to sell. Okay, so now I'm going to go through some quick things to know about how automotive ads work and getting started. But if you want the full walkthrough of setting up automotive ads, definitely check out the next video linked below in the description for all that information. So the first thing to know about these automotive ads is that they are keywordless campaigns that are in an auction that's independent from your mainline text ads. So you use a feed that includes all your attributes, and then your feed offers are matched to queries automatically, all an exact match. You can still use negative keywords to refine matches, however, as well as standard targeting and bid modifiers. This auction is also CPC based, and so you can participate in both auctions simultaneously and drive even more better clicks. And this can be for any type of car as well, whether they're used, new, or CPO, certified pre-owned. And all the reporting that you want will still be there as well to report out by keyword, ad, or campaign, as well as search terms. All right, so when I talk about a feed, though, what exactly are we talking about here? How do the automotive ads actually get built? Well, let's look at this other used car example, the 2018 Contoso Aviato EX. At the top is an example feed of columns of attributes that you would have of your cars to fuel the automotive ad, and then the bottom is the example ad. So, of course, you'll now see that the title column goes there. The state of the vehicle column is reflected here, along with the price in US dollars, and then the city and state where the car is based. These are optional. the mileage of the car, the final URL of the car on your website, and then, of course, the URL of the image, finally. And on that last point of images, that's certainly a key factor in showing and providing the best automotive ad to your consumers. So here are some key recommendations that we recommend to you. So first, technically speaking, you can see all the different file types we support there: JPEG, PNG, what have you. As far as aspect ratio goes, we accept multiple, but the ones we recommend are 4:3, 1.5:1, or 16:9. And of course, resolution is important as well. So make sure they're at least 640 by 360 pixels, but don't exceed 1920 by 1080 pixels. The image itself, it should show a zoomed exterior view of the vehicle, either front view, side view, or back view. If you have multiple images in the URL, make sure that the first few images are exterior views. You can have interior ones after that. And the images also shouldn't have any watermarks or promotional text. So once you're getting your feed together and you're enabled for automotive ads, you'll have 3 steps to get set up. First, create your campaign, then upload that feed in the dynamic data section of Microsoft Advertising, and then finally set up feed scheduling to keep your data up to date. That actually now brings me to the end of my overview, but if you're now eager to dive into the setup of automotive ads and want a full walkthrough, definitely check that out in the next video below in the description where we do just that. If you have any additional questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at msaautos@microsoft.com, which you also see linked in the below, or contact support if you need additional help. Thank you all for watching and look forward to seeing your automotive ads up and running.